There's a single place on Earth that has no seasons, yet temperatures ranging between almost freezing and 700 degrees Celsius. There have been 676 people in space, but only 6 in all of history have ever visited this place. Water creates over 15,000 pounds of pressure on anything that explores its depths. Surely nothing would survive in this habitat, right? That's what renowned scientist Edward Forbes believed was true in 1834. Forbes' idea would later become recognized by the British Association for the Advancement of Knowledge. This idea became widely accepted by the scientific community as the azoic or abyssus theory for over 4 decades.
The captain of the HMS Challenger, Charles Wyville Thomson, was a firm believer in the Darwin theory of evolution and believed that there would be fossils of creatures that were extinct for thousands of years that lived in the shallower regions. He departed from the England port on December 21, 1872, to set sail and gather data on the ocean and animals living there. This research lasted over 3 years and studied the ocean at 360 stations around the world. They would measure the depth of the seas in different areas and collect samples. In order to measure the depth of the ocean, they used a method called lead and line sounding. This involved lowering a line with a heavy weight attached to the bottom of it until it reached the sea floor.
On March 23, 1875, at Station 225 between Guam and Palau, they recorded a sounding depth of 4,475 fathoms, which is 8,184 meters or 26,850 feet in the Mariana Trench. Intending to study the inhabitants, they dragged a 10-foot wide weighted net across the ocean floor to catch the sea creatures and haul them aboard the ship. In March 1875, life was discovered at a depth beyond 1,800 feet, effectively disproving Forbes' abyssus theory. During this 2-year journey, they took 492 deep sea soundings and 284 dredges and trawls. The Challenger mission also helped to identify 4,700 new species of marine animals and plants, which is a far cry from the original 0 believed forms of life at this depth. To this day, humanity is still learning more about the ocean with every passing second. Recently, in April of 2023, scientists discovered a new species of fish that was named the pink snailfish, living at the bottom of the Mariana Trench at a depth of 8,180 meters. Who knows what else could be lurking in the deepest depths of the ocean?